Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can change the text or font color in your website projects on Framer. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to Framer and select your website project. Here in the website editor, navigate to the given page, insert the text box by using the text tool here at the top. Like for example, type in the word here in the text box. Then guys, what you want to do is highlight the text. And here on the right hand side in the text formatting options, navigate to text and here click into the color box and choose a color from that menu. Of course, you can switch from solid colors to gradient and so on and so forth, or use the shortcut, the hex color code of course here. And alternately use that slider, adjust the opacity level, or use the color picker here like this, and then let me go with that color. That's how it works. So guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.